The 2007 Jeep Grand Cherokee. The Jeep Grand Cherokee offers superior off-road capability comparable to that of the upscale Land Rover LR3. This makes the Grand Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: steering wheel audio controls, power passenger seat, stability control, anti-lock braking system, traction control, remote engine start, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, 5-speed automatic transmission with overdrive, 4-wheel disc brakes. This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.